Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the impressive features of the ZEPHYR S3 tire inflator portable air compressor, a vivid orange powerhouse designed for ultra-fast inflation and a 100% duty cycle. This cordless air compressor is perfect for inflating passenger cars, SUVs, light-duty pickups, bikes, and even sports balls, boasting a remarkable lifespan 3 times longer than ordinary air pumps. With a rapid inflation rate of 1.25 CFM at 0 psi, it can fill a 26.3-inch tire in just 1 minute, reaching up to a maximum of 160 psi with a gauge accuracy of ±1 psi. The built-in 7,800 mAh lithium battery allows you to inflate up to 16 tires from 30 to 35 psi on a full charge, and its USB-C 15W fast charging port ensures compatibility with any A to C or C to C charger. Thanks to its 100% duty cycle, the durable dual-cylinder system and dedicated cooling mechanism let you inflate all 4 tires continuously without brakes. The auto-stop feature ensures precision by halting inflation once the target pressure is reached, and it includes 4 preset modes with pressure memory for added convenience. Plus, the 300-lumen LED work light provides ample illumination for nighttime use, making the ZEPHYR S3 a versatile and reliable tool for all your inflation needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.